guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chinese with Charlie. 我是 Charlie. In today's video, we're going to talk about 3 B's in Chinese. I don't know whether you have heard of it. There are 3 different B's in Chinese language. So let's have a look what they are. What are they? So here in Chinese we have 是 meaning to be, 在 meaning to be, 很 meaning to be. So the question here is, when should we use which? And I have a very simple rule for you. Let's look at here. So after 是 we use noun. After 是 we use noun. And then we want to say I am somebody or something is something. So remember, after 是 we have to use noun. And after 很 we use an adjective. After 很 we use an adjective. Then we'll talk about how somebody looks like or how something is. Of course, some of you have already learned that character 很 means very. That is true, 很 means very, but in my opinion, when Chinese people talk about how somebody looks like or how something feels like, we tend to use 很 in front of the adjective because it sounds a little bit weird if we only use an adjective after something. And of course we can't do that. It just sounds weird in the most of situations. So let's say in most of the situations, 很 doesn't mean very. It only means to be how. Alright, number 3 is 在. And remember, after 在, we use a place. So we use 在 to talk about to be somewhere. To be somewhere. Alright, got it? Now let's have a practice. Here are 4 sentences. And at the beginning, you can see 4 different pronouns. 我, hopefully you know it. It means I. You, 你, it means you. 他, it means he. 她, it means she. And after that, we have 4 words. The first one, 学生. 学生 means student. 好看means good looking. 公司means work or company. 胖 means fat or chubby. Now, you can have a look at these 4 sentences and then decide which to be we should use here. You can pause the video now and think about that and come back when you're ready. Alright, so in the first sentence, we can see here we have 学生, which is a noun. That is why after 是 we have to use a noun. That is why we need to use 是 here. 我是学生, I'm a student. And in the second sentence, 好看, good looking, that's an adjective. And then we know after 很 we use an adjective. That's why here we use 很. 你很好看, you're good looking. Remember, we don't have to translate this sentence as you're very good looking. It's just like you're good looking. And in the third sentence, we have 公司, meaning work and company. So we can see your company or your work as a place where you do your job. So you remember, after 在, we use a place. So here we have to say 他在公司. 他在公司, which means he's at work. And now let's look at the last sentence here. We have 胖 here, and 胖is an also adjective. That is why we have to use 很 in front of it. So we say 她很胖. She is chubby. Alright? Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, please comment below or if you would like me to talk about any questions that you don't understand or you have a problem with while you're learning Chinese, don't worry, just tell me. In the future, I will make more videos about your questions. Okay, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.